Alright folks, this is Craig. I know it's been a while since I've talked to you and put a video out. Well, I've been doing a lot of things and a lot of things going on. Kind of just took a break. But what we have before you is some plans that I have drawn up. I know you have to excuse the plans. Just something I scribbled down, try to figure up. It's a greenhouse that I'm going to build. I've decided it's going to be 16 foot wide. I know the plan says 12 foot there, but I'm going to go to 16. So it's going to be a 16 by 16 frame. So we figured up that just for the framework, it's going to be $215, taxes and everything. And the greenhouse plastic is $100 on Amazon. So we'll have $315, give or take a little. I'll be probably changing a little bit, but as you can see, right here is some fans that are going to be installed that will be run by temperature control. These right here are going to be vents to have ventilation through the greenhouse. So but anyway, this is the little sketch. It will be PVC as like my first greenhouse I built, but it'll be reinforced by 2x4s and 2x6s. So this is what is going to happen in the future. I've got me a piece of property now that is going to be mine when I finish paying for it. So we're going to start doing a lot more things. You'll start seeing more videos coming up. So stay tuned, and we're going to start doing some videos on building this greenhouse, getting set up, buying the materials. As you can see, this is a list of materials that I will be buying to build this with. So not counting the screws. So the screws are going to have to be bought, and the furring strips to help put the plastic down on the greenhouse. So but this is just the framework. You got 1 2x6 by 12, 2 2x6 by 16s, 3 4x4s, which will be 16 foot long. You'll have 2 4x4 by 16s, which that'll end up being 5 altogether. 2 4x4 by 8s, 5 2x4 by 8s, and you got the schedule 40 3/4 inch 20 footers, and then 3/4 inch 10 footers of schedule 40 pipe, PVC pipe. So this is the new project that we will be doing. So stay tuned on the Haven, and we will be doing some exciting things. So until then, God bless you. Y'all have a good night.